Hello everyone, it's Trader Rez over here, your friendly neighborhood trader. Today we're gonna have a look at Bitcoin to the dollar. Please make sure you follow me on Twitter, you guys, as I post lots of technical analysis for you guys and hopefully will help you to make some money. Alright, so basically, so we had like a massive bull run, that's for sure. Um, Bitcoin is looking to stop, at least for the moment. If you're not long already, I believe in my previous video I gave you guys this setup right here. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you. Yeah, so if you would have been long over there, you would have made quite a bit of money. I believe, let's say, if you would have entered here, that would have been a nice little 127%. So, yeah. Now, if you've missed that chance, let's just see where we could like re-enter a Bitcoin long. First of all, we're gonna have a look at like proper structural support, and then we're gonna try to apply some Elliott wave and maybe some fibs as well. All right. So what I would do first is I would try to have a look at this level right here, and then this level right here. And if these don't hold, then the next stop would have to be this one right here. As you can see, the price tried to move a little bit. Yeah, there was some resistance here, and then there was some resistance here as well. Obviously, this was like the 20k mark, so yeah, of course there was going to be resistance. And then it just exploded away from here. So if price doesn't come all the way too sharply to one of these levels, this would be like a good place for a long. Also, if we pull some fibs, around here would be the 618 of this move, 61% with a Fibonacci ratio. This is on log because we're on the 4 hour. So yeah, this is like a really good place to look for it. Also this one, but if we start going so deep, we might be in a longer correction, let's just say. All right, let me just pull this off for you. I'm gonna make an Elliott wave count, and I'll be back in just a bit. All right, we're back. So this is my Elliott wave count for the moment until it gets violated. So basically, wave 4 is not allowed to overlap wave 1. So if the price goes into this region right here, this is not a wave, this count is not valid anymore, and I would have to say maybe it's like 1, 2, bear with me just a second. Yeah, I would have to say it's like a 1, 2, maybe a 3, 4, and a 5, something along these lines. But until then, this is wave. This is my primary count. It's the bullish one, let's say, and normally wave 4 will end right about at a lower subdegree level, wave 4. So that would mean around this area right here. And as you can see, it makes perfect sense with what I've drawn out. Yeah. If I was you guys, I would still, I wouldn't buy over here because you might have to take this whole drawdown. What I would do is I would see how price is starting to react in these levels. Also, I would go on the 2 hour time frame, and if this goes, let's say like an A, let's say this was a move, and then like this, and then like this, then I would definitely consider a buy, or maybe somewhere over here. So if it goes like a zigzag or something like that, I would definitely consider to go long, because as long as this move doesn't, like a completed move down doesn't slice through, then that doesn't mean that doesn't then that means it's not an impulse. So if it's an impulse down, then there's a higher chance we're going to have something like this, or maybe even like this, or who knows. So you can never be too sure. But if this goes slightly like a zigzag over here, then that means we're going to have in this area right here ABC, or maybe an ABC zigzag, which would fit super nicely, and I would definitely consider going long onto that one. Yeah, so that would be around the 24,000, yeah, and obviously the 20k region. Both of them, I think they have like psychological meaning as well. People are definitely gonna look around these levels because Bitcoin hasn't retraced properly. So getting Bitcoin at a discount, that's definitely something I would consider buying. So yeah, and after that we're gonna have a target. Let's just say, excuse me, and one of our targets is gonna be from the beginning of wave 1 to the end of wave 3 to the beginning of wave 5, end of wave 4. So we would have to look for a target between Fibonacci ratios, either the 100, 1272, 175, 2618, 423. Who can say? This bull market has been so crazy. We don't know for sure what's gonna happen, but I do believe we're still having like a nice leg up, and then we will start correcting maybe to, I don't know, we'll see, maybe over here. Only time will tell. We're living crazy times, so the market is crazy volatile, you guys. Please, please, please be careful. I'm not a financial advisor, so do keep in mind that and do your own due diligence. This is the trade that I will take, and I'm usually profitable. And don't worry, I'm gonna try to post videos maybe weekly or so, or twice a week if I have the time, just to help you guys out, and maybe we can enter these trades together and hopefully make some money. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave a like. It really helps me out a lot. This is Trader Rez over here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.